welcome back to GK Kiddo's 5-minute Rose. Today I have come up with another exciting and interesting set of questions and answers. If you like the concept of GK Kiddo's 5-minute Rose, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like my video. Now let's get started. Question 1. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 27th July, 28th July, 29th July or 30th July. And the answer is 29th July. International Tiger Day is celebrated every year on 29th July. India is home of about 70% of global tiger population. Question 2. Motto of Tokyo Olympics 2021 is Made for Sharing, Inspire a Generation, A New World, or United by Emotion. And the answer is United by Emotion. The motto of Olympic Games expresses the aspirations of the Olympic movement. The first modern Olympic Games were held in 1896 in Athens, Greece. The motto of first Olympic game was Citius, Altius, Fortius, which means faster, higher, stronger. Question 3. Who of the following has developed e-rupee? State Bank of India, National Payment Corporation of India, Stock Holding Corporation of India, National Securities Depository Limited. And the answer is National Payment Corporation of India. NPCI or National Payment Corporation of India, in collaboration with the Department of Financial Services (DFS), the Union Health Ministry and the National Health Authority (NHA), has developed the e-rupee. E-rupee is a QR code or SMS string based e-voucher which is delivered to the mobile of the beneficiaries. Question 4. Which of the following sport Mirabai Chanu belongs to? Archery, wrestling, weightlifting or boxing? And the answer is weightlifting. Mirabai Chanu is an Indian weightlifter from Manipur. She won the silver medal at the Tokyo Summer Olympics in women's 49 kg in 2021. Question 5. Who of the following is the founder of Blue Origin and Aerospace Company? Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Richard Branson or Bill Gates? And the answer is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Blue Origin, an aerospace company. He created history by traveling to space with 3 others. Question 1. Who of the following was the king of Calicut when Vasco da Gama reached Calicut on May 17, 1498? Iral Padu, Itatral Padu, Nadural Padu, and Jamorin. And the answer is Jamorin. When Portuguese voyager Vasco da Gama reached Calicut on May 17, 1498, at that time Calicut was being ruled by King Jamorin. Question 2. Great Victoria Desert is located in United States of America, United Kingdom, Australia, or China. And the answer is Australia. Great Victoria is the largest desert in Australia. It is named after British monarch Queen Victoria. It is located in the southern part of Australia. Question 3. What is the name of Brahmaputra river in Tibet? Nyang, Lhasa, Yarlung, Sangpo, or Jinsha? And the answer is Yarlung Sangpo. The Brahmaputra river is known as Yarlung Sangpo in Tibet. It is the longest river of Tibet. It originates from Lake Mansarovar in Angsi Glacier at Mount Kailash. Question 4. Baku is the capital of Ireland, Azerbaijan, Thailand, Argentina, and the answer is Azerbaijan. Baku is the capital and largest city of Azerbaijan. It is known for petroleum production. It is the largest city on the Caspian Sea and lowest lying national capital in the world. Question 5. Which of the following sports Emma McKeon belongs to? Swimming, archery, boxing, football. And the answer is swimming. Emma McKeon is an Australian swimmer. She has won 7 medals, 4 gold and 3 bronze at the 2020 Summer Olympic, which is the most medals won in a single Olympics by a woman. Question 1. Odissi is the dance form of which state? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, or West Bengal? And the answer is Odisha. Odissi is a classical dance form. Odisha is the home of Odissi. Gotipuwa tradition belongs to this dance form. Question 2. Who of the following has written Geet Govind? Baldev Rath, Jaydev, Banmali or Gopal Krishna? And the answer is Jaydev. Geet Govind is a song of Govind or God Krishna. It has been written by poet Jaydev. It has elaborated 8 moods of heroine, that is Astnayika. Question 3. During Second World War, when did Britain declare war against Germany? 1939, 1940, 1941 or 1942? And the answer is 1939. Britain declared war against Germany on 3rd September 1939, soon after Germany attacked Poland. Question 4. Which of the following planet appears green? Saturn, Jupiter, Mars or Uranus? And the answer is Uranus. Uranus is 4 times larger than Earth. It appears green in color because of methane gas present in its atmosphere. Question 5. Which of the following award has been renamed? Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Dronacharya Award or none of these? And the answer is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was started from 1991-1992. In 2021, government renamed it as Major Dhyan Chandra Khel Ratna Award. It is given for the performance by a sport person over the period of 4 years. I hope you found the questions and answers useful. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.